Hey, Dan Wellens here with ShopSabre CNC, and today we are going to be making a custom lamp, so let's get cutting. One of my favorite things to do on my ShopSabre CNC is to make functional art. Now, there is nothing better than taking a two-dimensional piece of wood and making a three-dimensional sculpture. I made this piece, this modern lamp, about 3 years ago. It is one of the best sellers for my business, and it's something that I want to share with you today. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to go inside of a spire here. Now, you can use V-carve or you can use a spire, and they're essentially the same thing for two-dimensional models in here. Now, what you can see, I'm going to come over to the pocket toolpath, and I'm just going to show you what I did here. So let's just kind of slide this over. I'm going to pin that to right there, and I'm going to center that. So you can see I have the base of the lamp right here. Now that's the circles. Now this inside circle, this is where the pocket profile is, and that's what we carved out for the battery pack. And then you can see this is the gooseneck of the lamp here, and this is part A and part B, how they sandwich together. And then this open vector right here, this is the vector that I kept for, this is the LED light, and this is where the transition comes into for the wiring. So you're gonna have the battery pack through the drill hole, through the wire to the LED, and that essentially is your lamp. So if we come over here and I show you how I tool path that, that is what that's gonna look like. Let's put that into a 3D model. Let me come over here and do a preview of how that cuts it out. And let me center that a little bit for you. And we'll just preview that right there. Let me reset that preview. That's kind of thinking right now. So I'm going to reset that preview and show you the tool path. So the first tool path is going to be the pockets for the battery pack. The second tool path, let me check that one off. Those are your drill holes. And then the third profile, that is your open vectors for your wiring and your LED lights. And your fourth right there, that's a complete profile of the lamp itself. So when we add all four of those together and we preview the cut, that's how we cut it. We pocketed first for the battery pack. Then it's going to do quick drill holes, and then it's going to do the open vectors, and then it's going to profile your cuts completely. And right there, we just made two modern lamps. All right, so now that we got our stock on the table, I love the black walnut, and especially for this project and this lamp, we're going to be using 6/4 inch black walnut. That's going to be the thickness. So now that we've got the material on the table and all of our zeros are set, let's turn on the vacuum table and let's cut some parts. All right, now that we made our cuts, now all we have to do is move into assembly. And honestly, this is a very easy lamp to assemble. What we have here is we have our base plate, and our base plate already has a pocket profile in it. Now the pocket profile is going to be for your battery pack. And you can see we also have a drill hole right there. So what we're going to do is we're going to flip that upside down. That is going to be our top. And then I'm going to take part A. Now, part A already has our wire feed going through there, and that's going to connect to where the LEDs actually stick to, right in the side there. So we're going to take part A, take part B, and what makes this project so great is there's so minimal sanding to this because all these parts are profiled together already exactly the same. All we're going to do is glue those two pieces together, and you can see you got your light strip that's going to be in there, down through your wiring, down through the drill hole to the battery pack. Wire this up and your project is complete. I hope you see these on Etsy. I hope you guys had fun making these with us. Subscribe for more.